So let's take a look at exception handling in Kotlin. So just like Java, it's very easy to put your code within try and catch and finally block and try to find if there are any certain exceptions that may occur and may lead to some of the error triggering. Okay, so first thing we are going to take a look at is whether we have Kotlin installed. So type in Kotlin C, then dash help. Okay, so if you get list of command line options, then that means you have Kotlin installed. Okay, now I'm in the directory where I have one file name hello.kt. So basically .kt is extension for Kotlin. Okay, so let's try and write our code here. Let's start with function main. So fun, then main, then inside this args, which are basically accepting array, string array. Okay, and here we are going to first declare a variable named, let's say, Devnami, which is my channel name. Okay, now here within try block, I'm going to convert this name to integer. Okay, and I'm going to check with catch block e exception to whether this exception may catch an error. Okay, so make sure it's colon and not dot. So we will be using print stack trace. Or you can also simply print out this as is with println, and there is finally block, okay, which will just be used to print something out to show errors catched so far. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to go to command prompt, and here we have to type in Kotlin C and then simply use hello.kt, which is your file. Then use include. For that you have to use dash, then runtime, then dash t, and then hello.jar. If there are any errors, then the compiler will point it out on console. If there are no errors, then it will return with blank prompt. Okay, so let's take a look at compilation. Here you see there are no errors in our code right here. So we are going to just execute that. So java dash jar, then hello.jar. Now you notice that you don't get any compile time errors. However, converting this character string into integer caused it to have number format exception. So you can't convert your string into integer, and that's where at runtime this error is triggered, and at the end you can see error catch so far, which is finally block is also printed. So when you want to use try catch an error, any code that you may think could cause error at runtime from user side or from program side, you can add it into try block. And on catch block, you can then simply print out that specific error that is catched, and then finally block to print out any default code that you want, which may not trigger any error. So this was exception handling in Kotlin.